I want to do a quick video to demonstrate a tool that I built that helps me accomplish work using AI. I am looking to replace this cloud compliance assessment product with a training product that I put together. And the training teaches you how to make tooling with AI to help you accomplish tasks. The training itself is related to deploying Azure landing zones, and I encourage you to go check it out. And not only is it helpful for the landing zone creation and standardization, but it also empowers your engineers to actually create the tools they need to make their job faster without having to learn everything automation. So, with that said, I just want to show you. So here's the 4 files I have. They're over here in my. Where's it? This guy here, awacs website. So I have this. This is the prompt I'm going to paste. I'm asking the front-end designer agent to work with my writing plans agent to plan and execute the following plan. I approve it, and I just want it to push it to Get, which will trigger GitHub Actions, which will update the website. Also will be taught in the training. I'm going to step away, just create a rollback, and implement the plan. So that way I come back and the web page is live, and if it's got a problem, I can roll it back, or I'll just tell it to fix it. So I'll let you kind of read the rest, remove one, add one, check the front page, add a free tool section, because I have some really cool tools that people might like, and then double check it and give me some critiques. So let's see what happens here. All right, and then it's going to start doing its thing. It's pollinating, whatnot. So I'll pause and come back shortly. Okay, so just a quick check-in here. Show you where it's at. It's been 8 minutes, as you can see. But while it did it, I went ahead and uploaded a YouTube video related to to the course that I'm having uploaded information about. So I wanted to give it the link so it could keep it all in here, since this is kind of my dashboard for running the website. By the way, here is the YouTube link for the course one. Please update. Oh, or keeping track. Okay, so we're going to do that and see where we get. And we'll be back in a few with the website. Okay, so right after I selected to put the YouTube in there, it came back and it told me that it was finishing. So it's currently running the validation. But meanwhile, by the way, apparently, I guess whichever agent I was talking to doesn't have the ability, so it told me how to. And then it suggested that I put this on the training documents page. So I'm just going to go ahead and let it do that. And we'll see where we're at. Okay, so this is done. Let's take a look. There's one recommendation related to my email. Let's take a look and see where we're at. Cloud compliance assessment was supposed to be taken off. Tools supposed to be up here. Let's see where we get. Boom. Tools, products, work through, Azure governance. It's just that easy. So if you're interested in learning how to do this, reach out. Thanks. This is Dustin.